Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining my activity program for generating an employee payroll summary. So I'll walk uh, you through the code works and then explain the output it produces. So first, let's go to my code. So at the very top of my code, I have an array called employees, which is this. This array, as you can see, stores a list of employees here, where each employee has a name here, which is Juan de la Cruz, position, software engineer, um, um, not just that thing, also in here, their base work, their daily rate, and deduction. These values will be used to calculate their salaries. I also created a variable called title, which is this here, which stores the title of the page employee payroll. Then I created um, empty array called payroll data here, where I will store the computed results using for each here, for each loop. I go through each employees and calculate it, which is their gross pay and their where days work times daily rate and the net pay, which is the gross pay subtracted to the deduction, employee deduction rather. Now, after computing this, I add a gross pay and the net pay to the employees data and store it in our payroll data, which is here. Next, I use the usort function to sort the employees in descending order of net pay. So the highest earner appears first. And I also extracted um, the name of the top earner, which is the UC words here, and store it in the um, top earner name. Then I calculated the total payroll here, payroll cost by summing all the net pay um values using array sum and the array column. Now for the HTML and CSS, I see as a section where it displays the table. So in the HTML section, I set the document title to the title variable. Here. Um, and added some simple CSS style to the table. So it has a collapsed border, the padding, and the purple dash lines. So at that, inside the body here, I display the title uppercase, which is the start upper. And then I created the table with headings here. Headings, which is the name, position, gross pay, and net pay. So inside the T body here, I look through each employee in payroll data here and display their name here, name, position, gross pay, which is formatted with a peso sign and two decimal places, and then the net pay also formatted with a peso sign and two decimal places. So after this table, I display two important details, which is the highest net pay showing the top earner's name and the total payroll cost, which the sum of all net pay amounts. So, in summary of this program, here is the output, which it stores the employee data, which is this. Calculate the gross pay here and the net pay. It sorts the employees by the highest net pay, which is Pedro, and displays the result in a styled HTML table and shows the highest or earner and the total pay cost at the bottom, which is this. So that's it. Thank you for watching.